Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to create Threads account and how to use that account. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribe and let's jump into video. First you need to download and install Threads app in your mobile phone. To do that, if you're using Android, you need to go to Play Store and search for Threads and download and install it. And if you're using iPhone, go to App Store, just search for Threads and download it. Then after you download and install, you can see this kind of app is appeared when you open your Threads app. And don't worry, this is not a web version, this is an Android version, okay? And you need to have Instagram account to use Threads because both applications are connect together, okay? After you creating your Instagram account and open your Threads account, you will see this kind of messages appear. Login with Instagram, and this is your Instagram username. What you need to do is just tap on this button here. Then it will be connect with your Instagram account and open your Threads account. So this is my Threads account now. Now you can do the basic process in your application. First you need to set up your profile. So to do that, just go to your profile icon in bottom and tap on edit profile. You can change your name here and you can add bio about you, and you can add some links for this, and you can add Facebook link, you can add Instagram kind of things, and you can switch on this one. That means private profile. It means no one can that means only followers can reply your profile, okay? And if you untick it, anyone can reply to you, okay? Yeah, that is basic things you need to edit. And you can choose your profile picture by just tap on your profile picture. New profile picture you can add, and you can add your profile picture using Instagram. Then after do that, just tap on done, okay? And I discard the changes. And yeah, you can search people by just on search icon and search from here. If you know some person using Threads, just tap on his name and you can follow them. And just tap on this heart icon, then you will find every notification you appeared here. You can choose your followers, your replies, and all the things. And again go to profile icon, just tap on these two lines here. Now you are in settings section. You can do more profile related setting from here. You can change your privacy for mentions, online status kind of things, and you can do a lot of account related and application related settings from here. And if you need to log out, just tap on log out. And if you have both multiple Threads account, you can just tap on switch profile and switch your other profile. So this is how you can create and use Threads app. If you gain some knowledge from this video, please consider subscribe and like in the video.